All right, what we have here today is the SpeeD LIte from Electrolux. There's 5 main points you want to remember of the SpeeD LIte. The first one is the speed. When we talk about the SpeeD LIte, we talk about an equipment that is 3 times faster than your regular panini press. This means that this equipment, thanks to the triple technology of infrared, microwave, and contact heat, is able to reduce what would take around 5 to 7 minutes of a product down to 45 seconds or 1 minute. That's one of the main points of a SpeeD LIte. The second main point of the SpeeD LIte is the flexibility. Thanks to the plate that comes out and sets down, you're able to not only do panini sandwiches, but you can also do croissants, pizzas. It's an equipment that allows you to regenerate. The beauty of it is that the fact that it is flexible allows you also to glue different type of sizes of sandwiches that will be adapted through the top plate, which always will maintain hot in the inside, crispy in the outside. Third point is the consistency. When we talk about the consistency of the SpeeD LIte, we're talking about the food consistency, which means that you're able to set pre-program at the beginning of the cycles the top and the bottom temperature of the equipment. This allows you to always have a standard temperature in all of your products. Not only that, but I'm able to set for each of my 8 programs, I'm able to set the temperature, the total time of the cycle, the total time of the microwave, if I want the microwave at the beginning or at the end, and if I need to have extra pressure at the beginning or at the end. This is what this point over here is very important when we talk about quesadillas, burritos, or products that are very, very thin. The 4 main points when we talk about the SpeeD LIte, we talk about the accessibility and the cleanability. This equipment is very easy to operate, so which allows us, because of the visual cues, I'm always able to see all the top, the bottom plate, all the top plate, and only by pushing this to the top, I have access to the channel. This will always allows me to know when the equipment is dirty or not, which allows me to just clean it very easily. To clean it, you can use our C41 detergent, which part is OS 2293, where you can just spray with the hot surface and then just clean. If you do not have the cleaner with you, what you can do after each cycle is have a rag of sanitized water and then just clean the bottom of the plate and the sides after each cycle. The last point when we talk about the SpeeD LIte is the fact that it's an equipment that was built to be modular and connectivity ready. Meaning modular, which is that it's easy to maintain, easy to service, and easy to replace. You're able to place side by side SpeeD LItes, and at the same time you're able to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws to access the bottom plate, 1, 2 screws on the side to access the internal electronics, and then if you would like to access the top plate, it's just a matter of dropping the bottom plate, the top plate. Not only that, but it's connectivity ready, meaning that this is the first Electrolux equipment that will allow us to connect to the cloud, meaning that you can do statistics, recipe management, and control the cycles that the equipment is doing. Other than the 5 points that I just mentioned about speed, flexibility, speed, flexibility, cleanability and accessibility, food consistency, and connectivity and modularity, we also talk about the fact that is made for fast operations and loud operations of chain locations. This means that if my equipment at any point was in standby mode or after any cycle, the equipment will be set to activate itself to cook at any moment. The beauty of it is that if at any cycle, after each cycle, the equipment will top open, giving the user a visual cue that the food is ready. This is our SpeeD LIte high-speed cooking equipment from Electrolux.